As a disclaimer, I just want to mention that I am not a professional. I just started to incorporate waxing into my self care routine because this is how I prefer to manage my PCOS symptom of facial hair. So if this works for you, by all means, hey, go for it. If it doesn't, just keep looking for something that works for you. But again, this is something that I personally enjoy and found that works for me. Okay, so on the left side of my face, my hair tends to grow in a patch in the middle of my cheek almost, versus my right side, which tends to grow closer to my ear, straight down. So that's why I had to apply the wax a few times because it really wasn't sticking. I had to get the hang of it. But if you watch towards the end, you can see what I mean. My right side wasn't as difficult or patchy. I was able to just apply it and pull it off versus here, I had to do it a few times. Okay, ladies, so as I mentioned earlier, here's the right side of my face. If you take a look, my hair tends to be closer to my ear and a more growing in a vertical direction versus the left side of my face, which is in like the middle of my cheek in a patch. So this side was a lot easier to apply the wax and take off.